Want to connect an Apple Pencil to your iPad, but not sure how? I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to connect an Apple Pencil to your iPad. Now let's get started. The method you use to connect your Apple Pencil to your iPad will depend on which generation you have of both the Apple Pencil and iPad, as they connect in different ways. If you have the newer second generation Apple Pencil and a newer iPad model, the Apple Pencil will connect magnetically to the side of your iPad, and this is how it will pair with your iPad and how it will wirelessly charge. The second generation Apple Pencil is only compatible with iPads that support this wireless magnetic connection. Here's a look at which iPad models are compatible with the second gen Apple Pencil. If you only have a first generation Apple Pencil, you'll connect it to your iPad by removing the cap on the end and plugging it into the Lightning port on the bottom of your iPad. If your iPad has a USB-C port rather than Lightning, use an adapter cable to connect your Apple Pencil to your iPad. That's all it takes to connect an Apple Pencil to your iPad. For more helpful tips and tricks for iPad, check out our full playlist of iPad tutorials. Click the playlist on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.